If you're into real carbon fiber products like me, you might want to check out Hanssshow's new carbon fiber collection for the Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. I got their matte carbon fiber mirror covers, side camera covers, the spoiler, and their interior dashboard replacement. All these products are real carbon fiber, and let me say, wow, they look incredible. Like, the finish is perfect and the form fit to the mirrors is just excellent. Even their new matte carbon fiber spoiler fits the contour of the truck perfectly. I'm pretty picky when it comes to carbon fiber products, and these just add that subtle modification to the car with a clean matte look. Installing these is pretty straightforward. Just use the included adhesive tape and apply it to the back of the side mirrors. Make sure your side mirrors are properly treated and cleaned with an alcohol solution to ensure these carbon fiber pieces affix the paint correctly. Push down on the covers and let them sit for a few hours before driving your car. It's the same process for the side camera covers. Attach the included 3M adhesive tape and affix it to the side of your car. The spoiler can take some extra time as you will have to align this up perfectly to the trunk lid. I just used some painter's tape, as you see here, to correctly align this to my Model 3. Please have a look at the video in the upper right hand corner here to see the full installation. Prepping your paint is key before you stick the spoiler to your car. I used Geon Prep solution before installing this. You can also use an included alcohol wipe. Finally, for the real matte carbon fiber dashboard, I'm going to include the full installation video in the upper right hand corner of this video. This is one piece that fits the entire dashboard compartment for your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. This is not a simple stick cover that goes over your old dashboard. All these components are OEM parts, and yes, I actually mean OEM. Looking at the back of the dashboard, it has the Tesla logo stamped in. The only part that is not OEM is the 100% real carbon fiber trim, which in my opinion looks OEM. The weaves of the carbon fiber look flawless. It just looks incredible in the natural light, as this looks like it came from Tesla. This is by far the nicest piece of the carbon fiber collection from Hansshow, I think. Be sure to use my coupon code below the video to take advantage of the additional savings at checkout. My name is Evan. Until the next Tesla video, stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one.